HTC is not the shining example of Android exceptionalism it once was. The embattled Taiwan electronics manufacturer, facing crushing competition from XA0 heavyweights like Samsung, ZTE, Lenovo, and others, has slowly XA0 ceded market ground in the first quarter of this year. It made up XA0 a measly 3% of the U.S. market. But its recent prospects are decidedly more promising. The company's latest high-end smartphone, the HTC 10, sold briskly, driving revenues up 27%, and HTC chief Chi-Lin Cheng projected that the company, buoyed by forthcoming flagship smartphones, would return to profitability as soon as the end of this year. One of those bets is the new HTC Bolt. It's an Android phone launching exclusively on the Sprint network, and one with a few innovative tricks up its sleeve. The Bolt is the first to ship with custom-designed headphones that tune audio to the unique shape of your inner ear. It's the first to support Sprint's Next Generation Plus network for super speedy downloads. And XA0 ships with HTC's signature XA0 software suite. But the Bolt's positives don't go quite far enough to mask its blemishes. It packs an aging, sluggish processor. Its display is a disappointment on several fronts, and it is priced incongruously with the competition. All that together makes HTC's latest effort more flash in the pan than thundering success. You wouldn't know that from the outside, though. The Bolt XA0 features the aesthetic hallmarks of HTC's very best phones. XA0 polished, chamfered aluminum body that runs to the edges of its rims, a gorgeously machined metal backplate, and a protruding single camera below a dual-sensor LED flash. That high-end fit and finish extends to its front. Embedded within the Bolt's white backplate is an oval-shaped fingerprint sensor that doubles as a home button, as well as two capacitive, illuminated navigational buttons that fade from view when idle. Rounding out those accoutrements is a front-facing 8MP camera, an earpiece, a multicolor notification LED, and a minimalist row of sensors that measure proximity and ambient light. On the Bolt's right side is a textured volume rocker and ribbed power button, and on the left is a SIM slot and micro SD card slot. On the bottom, you'll find a USB Type-C port adjacent to a boom sound-enabled loudspeaker and microphone. And on the top there's a plastic cutout to accommodate the Bolt's wireless radios. It's understated utilitarian minimalism, a pleasing contrast to the Bolt's bombastic marketing. Importantly, the Bolt